Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be ESPORT's ICE 300TG PC build. This is a cabinet which we get a lot of questions about a PC build. They want to buy this particular model. And ESPORT is available only exclusively on Amazon. So we tried to manage to buy it from Amazon, and I'm making a review for this because you guys have really requested to buy this. So I cannot sell it on our website techmartunbox.com, but we can review it for you and we can build a PC using this cabinet. This cabinet is available for 3,900 rupees approx. This is an RGB along with 3 fan in the front. We'll talk more about it. Let's begin with the all parts and component which we're gonna use in this build. The total price for this PC is approximately 68,000 rupees. So let me just go ahead and take you through all the components, their pricing before we go ahead and build the PC. Also, let me tell you, all the prices are today's price, so do follow the link in the description box below. I'll share the Amazon link and our website link so you can go ahead and check the latest price. So the prices in this video will be today's price. So let's begin with the cabinet first. As I have already mentioned, this is ESPORT's ICE 300TG, one of the best-selling cabinet on Amazon, and we get a lot of questions, a lot of requests to purchase this cabinet. Hence we are going to build using this cabinet for 3,900 rupees. For processor, we have got Ryzen 5 3600. This is 6-core 12-thread, available for 16,400 rupees. For motherboard, we have got MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. This is one of the best-selling motherboard from MSI, and this is available for 10,000 rupees. This supports 3rd generation. All Max motherboard support 3rd generation out of the box. So this is available for 10,000 rupees. MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. For RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaw Speed. This is 3000 MHz 8x2, available for 5,600 rupees, and that's the RAM we're going to use in this build. For graphic card, we have got Eno 3D 1660 Super, available for 18,500 rupees. This is a really nice brand. If in case you're in budget, definitely this brand can be considered. Definitely go for it. For the SSD, we have got WD 240GB Green, available for 2,300 rupees. For more storage, we have got Seagate 1TB Barracuda. This is available for 2,850 rupees. For power supply, we have got Entech 650 watt semi-modular bronze, available for just 4,400 rupees. Now the white power supply is approx for 4,000 rupees. Spending 400 rupees more, you get bronze, that too semi-modular. This comes with 5-year warranty and it is a trustable brand, Entech. We are also including a keyboard and mouse with this build. So this is ESPORT MK3000, available for 2,100 with blue switches. These are mechanical keyboard, definitely good one. Just go ahead and check on YouTube for more videos about this keyboard. And for the mouse, we have got ESPORT GM300, available for 1,000 rupees. Alright, that was all about PC component. This is approx 68,000 rupees, and let's just go ahead and start the PC build. The only thing I didn't like about the cabinet is it comes with white color tie cable. They should have given black color tie cable. Anyways. Here is a problem. The ESPORT 300TG, that's model, the IO shield plate doesn't fit well. So with the push, this may really go out because it is not fixed properly. So ESPORT, you should have installed a motherboard and then checked it yourself. I think they should improve this. Those who have motherboard with IO shield plate fixed on the motherboard, they will not have any problem, but the IO shield, the plate which needs to be attached to the cabinet, will definitely be a task. Also, after spending over 3000 rupees, I don't expect the cable should be in multiple color. This color cable combination comes on a cheap cabinets, so not expected this from ESPORT. Alright, so we're done with the PC build using this ESPORT 300TG, ICE 300TG, and pretty much I enjoyed building the PC using this case. The quality for the case is definitely up to the mark and beyond my expectation. Also, the airflow is good here. I like the kind of RGB it has. Just on the ring it has got the RGB. I like this kind of RGB rather than on the fan. And talking about the problem which I faced during the build, I'll just show it to you. The IO shield which comes separated from the motherboard, that would be a pain to attach to this cabinet. So there was few problems which I felt and ESPORT should fix that IO shield problem. Definitely most of the people, they don't have a motherboard with pre-applied or pre-installed IO shield. So this is what I feel that needs to be changed. And about the PC build, I mean, there's nothing I have to talk more about it. You have already checked. And about the keyboard and mouse, I must say the first impression for this keyboard and mouse is absolutely gorgeous. I like the mouse for $1000. That was a really sweet mouse to use. The first impression, trust me, it has really attracted me that at 1000 rupees I am using such a beautiful mouse. It is very handy, and of course RGB, that too, it's very smooth. So braided cable, everything is like fabulous. And ESPORT has definitely attracted me, as I'm not using Cooler Master anymore in our channel, and then I'm exploring more cabinets. So this was a build using ESPORT cabinet. I've got a lot of requests for this cabinet. I hope you have liked this video, and do follow us on Instagram. I have already updated on Instagram about this build, so if in case you want to know a quick update about our channel, Instagram is right place. You can follow us. I've shared the link. Also, all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Do go ahead and check out the prices, because today's price may change in future. So That's about it. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.